Hello my brothers and sisters. It's about 7:45 on a Sunday morning. It's iced up to fuck. Look, the van. Hang on. I'll come back, I'll show you right now. That is the van. We're not getting in it. Me and this little turd here are walking to co-op. It'd be quicker at Wart Shop than it would actually be to defrost the car or the van to drive there. But it's freezing. Kieron's been up since 4:30, right, on my day off, and he's been chomping at the bit all morning, wanting to do something. So I thought we'd give Lou a break and we'd go to the co-op to get some bread, some eggs, some that's it basically. Bit of breakfast gear, because I'm starving. Right, back with you in a minute. So it's just coming like nearly 8 o'clock in the morning, but it's absolutely freezing out here. It's about -1. So winter is finally here. Plus it's the 1st of December, so you can now officially, right, put your Christmas decorations up. Not in November, like Lou did, and like a lot of people I know did. You know, it's like November. You don't put your Christmas trees up in November, do you? No, but people do. And then don't take them down till the middle of freaking January. Right, anyway, we're literally about 3 or 4 minutes off the co-op, and we'll get some supplies. Right, so we've arrived at the co-op. Now I'm pretty certain I'm not allowed to film in here, so I won't be doing. So we'll go in here now, get our supplies, get back home, get some breakfast on the go. We're back from the shop, and my God, was it cold. It was freezing, but I got our stuff, so let's jump down here and let me show you what we got. Yes, we have some hash browns, we have some bread, sponsored by the co-op by the look of it. We've got 2 tins of beans, we've got some mushrooms, we've got some smoked bacon, we've got some spam, we've got some HP sauce, only the best. And in the oven right now, we've got some pork and leek sausages, which you will see very shortly when they come out of the oven. I already put them in before I started filming, I forgot. I'm sorry. Right, so I think the first thing we will do is chop these mushrooms and get them fried up with some lovely garlic.
Frog.
Right, I've changed my mind. I'm going to go with the spam first, because it's going to take longer to cook than the mushrooms. Also, if you've noticed before, I didn't mention eggs. Do you know why? Because I forgot them. So I'm going to turn everything off just briefly, and I'm going to nip back to the shop and get some eggs. Right. Maybe I can do this breakfast now. Because I've got my eggs. Yes. I went on a mission. Like Scott of the Antarctic in these freezing conditions. And now I'm going back in the house with lovely warm double crack on. This is how cold it is outside. I've just walked in. I can see nothing. My glasses have steamed up. So I better sort that out before I start messing with knives and hot hobs. I did say hobs there, by the way. There we go. There's a bottle on the side for Kieron. Not filled yet. Hash browns are in anyway. There we go. Our spam is bubbling nicely in that hot oil. Our sausages are done, and when our spam is done, I'm going to put that in there to keep warm while we do our smoky bacon and we do our mushrooms. That is our smoked bacon in the same pan, and when that's done, that's going in the same pan with the sausage and the spam. Hey, it rhymed that, didn't it? Also, I have just turned our beans on, and in there we have some good old butter, some garlic, and a bit of cracked black pepper. That'll make these beans awesome. Oh, look at that butter. Yeah, baby. The mushrooms are in. And so is our garlic. Yay! Them mushrooms look and smell amazing. Look at that. Yeah. Do you know what? This is probably going to be my most favourite part of this breakfast. That and the egg. Right, we're steaming up, I better go. And this is how we are looking so far. We've got our toast, we've got our beans, we've got our mushrooms, we've got our hash browns, we've got our spam, we've got our bacon, we've got our sausages. The only thing missing now is what I'm going to call a dirty egg. And essentially what a dirty egg is I've just put a bit more oil in that pan, but that's what I've cooked everything in. So the egg is going to get cooked in the mushrooms, the garlic, the smoky bacon, the spam. Oh, right, I can't do this with one hand, so I'll be back when the eggs are actually in the pan. And that is our dirty eggs complete. Complete with 3rd-degree burns from the splash. So look at it. Now complete with dirty eggs. Yes. Lou hates them. I love eggs. Oh. Look at that. The spam, the bacon, the hash browns. Look at them pork and leek sausages. That is the works. Yes. Now, all I need to do is slide this down my gizzard. But that's off camera. Ha! See ya! Yep. Nearly forgot the HP. Get it on, baby.